Have you ever felt hungry in the middle of the night and headed to the fridge? Many people think one small bite won't hurt. But it's interesting to know that the body doesn't just react to what we eat. When we eat can also affect our energy levels, sleep quality, and digestion. In this episode of BioSense, we're exploring what science says about the connection between the body's biological clock and nutrition. Almost every cell in the body has its own circadian rhythm, a cycle that helps us maintain a steady 24-hour pattern for waking, sleeping, digestion, and repair. For example, in the morning, alertness-boosting hormones are higher. Around midday, body temperature is usually at its peak. At night, melatonin is released to prepare the body for rest. Now, if we eat at a time when the body is normally getting ready to wind down, some systems may have to become active again, and this can affect how light or heavy we feel afterward. Some studies show that the body responds differently to food at night. For example, insulin sensitivity may decrease in the evening, meaning the body has a harder time using blood sugar as it normally would. At the same time, metabolism naturally slows during rest because the body is in a more relaxed state. This means the energy we consume may be processed differently, which can affect how sleepy we feel or the quality of our sleep. In some controlled studies, people who ate larger meals later in the day experienced changes in hunger, energy levels, or appetite-related hormones. These studies generally suggest that meal timing can influence how full we feel and how we manage energy. Of course, these results aren't the same for everyone. They depend on lifestyle, genetics, and individual sleep habits. The body usually prefers to be in a relaxed state before sleep. Eating heavy meals close to bedtime can keep the digestive system active, and for some people it may cause a feeling of heaviness or disrupt sleep quality. This varies from person to person, but many sleep experts recommend leaving some time between your last meal and bedtime so the body can rest more easily. Some recent research suggests that genes related to the circadian rhythm may play a role in regulating energy and digestion. Some studies indicate that the body is more prepared to process energy in the early hours of the day. However, these findings are still under investigation, and we can't make a fixed, one-size-fits-all recommendation for everyone. Nutrition experts usually recommend eating meals at times that align with your sleep-wake pattern. In general, having meals at consistent times helps the body maintain a stable rhythm. For example, breakfast at the start of the day, lunch around midday, a light dinner earlier than bedtime. Again, it's important to note, these recommendations are general and may vary depending on each individual circumstances. A few simple tips to get started. Try to leave some time between your last meal and bedtime. If you're used to eating dinner late, gradually move the time earlier. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger. Drinking water can help you tell the difference. Adjusting your sleep schedule can positively affect your appetite and daily energy. Our body is a coordinated system with its own natural rhythms. Meal timing is one of the factors that can affect energy levels and sleep quality. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to BioClock and leave a comment. What time do you usually eat your last meal? In the next episode, we'll talk about the role of sleep in regulating energy and hunger. See you in the next episode.